In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check purchase history in Canva. This is a quick process, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past purchases and invoices, and how to search and filter them so you can get what you need fast. Start on your main Canva dashboard, the screen you see right after signing in. This is your starting point for everything. From here, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's the small circular icon that represents your account. Click that to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, look for the shopping cart icon labeled Purchase History. Click Purchase History to go straight to the page where Canva keeps a record of your paid items and billing entries. This area is designed to be simple and transparent, so you can review exactly what you've bought at a glance. Once the page loads, you'll see your purchases listed along with corresponding invoice information. Items are typically organized in chronological order, making it easy to skim through recent activity first. Each entry provides enough detail to help you identify what was purchased and when, so you can quickly match it to your records. At the top of the page, you'll find a search bar. Use it to locate a specific purchase by entering a keyword that relates to the item or the project you used it for. This is especially helpful if you remember part of an item's name or you're trying to confirm a charge you see on your statement. Next to the search option, you'll also see filters by type and by date. The type filter lets you narrow down the list to specific kinds of purchases, which can dramatically cut down the time it takes to find a particular item. The date filter allows you to set a range, like a specific month or quarter, so you can align your search with your reporting period. Combine both filters with the search bar for the fastest, most precise results. A quick tip: if you work across multiple teams or brands in Canva, make sure you're viewing the workspace where the purchase was made before you check purchase history. That way, your list reflects the correct account activity, and that's it. From the dashboard, click your profile icon, choose Purchase History, and then use the search and filter tools to zero in on the purchase or invoice you need. Keep this flow in mind, and you'll always be able to find your records quickly and confidently.